Press red button. Oh! My button ain't red. Hold on, let me see something. Oh, snap. It worked. Hellcat only 160 on the dash. Let's go. Alright, y'all. So this is the Automotive Tazer. In this video, I'm going to be showing y'all what it can do to RT. So this is a 2015 Dodge Charger Pursuit RT, as y'all can see. I'll pop the hood to show y'all. But hold on, before the video starts, 95% of y'all are subscribed. Like, I know y'all might be new here, so y'all want a few seconds or a few minutes to subscribe, but you only get 2 seconds. It's over. Now subscribe. Why you ain't subscribed yet?
I did start.
You still ain't subscribed? Bro. I'll give you 5 more seconds. Just a little baby 5'7", but they be saying this thing really do wonders, so I'm gonna see what all they can do in this video. If y'all is interested, make sure y'all stick to the end of the video to see everything this thing can do, man. Alright, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy 𝘤𝘩𝘢, and as y'all can see by the thumbnail and title, man, we is about to be installing this right here. If y'all can see it. This is the Automotive Tazer for Dodge Chargers. Dodge Durangos, all mopars basically. But without further ado, we finna just jump straight into it. But first, I'm about to put some coolant in my charger. As y'all can see here, go right here. This is a 2015 Dodge Charger Pursuit. What up? But we finna just jump straight into it, y'all. So, like I said, let me put this in there first, so we can get going. Let's show y'all what it do. This is the coolant y'all would need too. Y'all don't know. Put that right there. And then we gotta get a funnel now. Here go a funnel. And like I said, this is a Pursuit, as y'all can tell by the middle console and also the shifter behind the wheel. Got the big V8 Hemi in it. Y'all can see I'm low. Ain't got no coolant in this thing. I got none. I'm probably gonna use this whole can. We ain't got none in here. Alright, let's open this thing up. And get it in here. I'm gonna try this with one hand. If I can, I'm about to put y'all down. Shoot. It should be straight. I'm just gonna start it up. Alright. What it does to your car is basically unlocks it, is what they say. So
Why would you want us to go fast?
the first thing you gotta do, I'm just turning some air on. Let me wipe the camera up. Turn some air on because it's hot as ever. It's for like 91 now. Y'all see that? It's too damn hot. I'm recording this video for y'all boys though. Hopefully this will help y'all out. Maybe y'all want to buy one. But I ain't gonna waste no more time. So alright, so to plug it in for like the Dodge Chargers, I'm not sure too much of like the other vehicles, but for the Dodge Charger specifically, you will go down here. I'm gonna leave that right there. And once you down there, then you just plug it up just like that. Make sure it's plugged all the way in. And then wait till it blink and then it go to green. Or just wait till it stop. Alright, so once it's good, plugged in, I don't know if it might go to green, it might not, but I'm just letting my car run right now so the coolant can get through the system. I'm finna check it real quick. Alright, so what you wanna do is first put the car in run. You're gonna put the car in run. Alright, with the car in run, you just wanna go down to I think it's audio. Yep, audio. And then once you are here, you want to make sure, hold on, it's hard to do it with one hand. Press the left trigger and cancel. And what that does is it shows you the modes. So there go light show, read the codes. But first, when you first plug it in, you want to go to 𝘳𝘪𝘴. So once you get to 𝘳𝘪𝘴, you want to press left click and cruise control. And what that does is it basically clicks yeah for you. So as you can see, it says 𝘳𝘪𝘴. It take 10 seconds. So once it's finished 𝘳𝘪𝘴, I'm gonna get back with y'all. As y'all can see, it is 𝘳𝘪𝘴. So next thing you want to do is left and cancel together, which pops up performance. We're gonna click into that. Sport mode 5-speed, we're gonna click yes. Then it says sport mode 8-speed, it's already on yes, so that's good. SRT set, I'm gonna push yes, but if you guys do SRT set, it will pop on the airbag, which I will show you guys here in a little bit. As you guys can see, it is an all-wheel drive, and just these are the modes that it adds on there. So it adds all of these different ones in the vehicle info. It also changes the speedometer look, the side looks as well over there, and then it adds some more pages. So it'll just add 10 pages. At first it'll be normally 7. Now it adds diagnosis, just different stuff, performance and all of those. We're gonna go back to audio though on page 5, and then left trigger right, as you can see. I'm gonna go to the next one, performance set. I'm gonna click that, and now they give us the performance pages, top speed, all of that. I'm gonna go back down, audio again, left and then cancel. STP, I'm not sure what that does, but I'm gonna click on, see what it do. Put that to yes. Paddles, I don't have any paddles, so I don't need to turn that on. Steer, I think this is for to set up your own, basically however you want to set it up. So if you want your steering in like sport and stuff, I think that's what this is for. We're just gonna go skip it though. Drive mode, it's in none right now because the car's not on, but I can switch it. Scat, SRT, I might just switch it to SRT, as you guys can see. And then another thing, the next one is drive trans. You can change it in here, but if you have a newer model, your performance pages will pop up. For mine specifically, they don't pop up because it was a police version, so I don't know what I have to do to pop up, and it was a 2015. But drive trans, just yes, turn that on. So whenever you do, you can be able to change your trans mode and all that, your transmission, want to put in sport, track, anything like that. Shift light, I'm gonna turn that on. Eco mode, we're gonna keep that on no. Tire, so tire I think is for if you want to set, say if you want to put your back tires low, but you keep the front tires high, you can go in here and like set them on to like 29, whatever you need to be, because you know, like with these cars, they'll keep them at 35. So if they go anything under than that, warning will pop up. But with this, they won't pop up anymore. Radio, let me see what that is. Cam, I'm not sure what that is. Oh, camera, that's for camera enabled. You do yeah, even though I don't have one. Let's see what it do. Cargo cam, I don't have one, but I'm gonna turn it on. Trying everything in this thing. Camera grid, I'm gonna keep that on no. DVD CD, nope, we ain't got one. Sorry if I ain't see it. Travel link, we don't got one, but I'll turn it on. I'll turn it on in, turn it on yeah. Oops, don't matter. The next page after that is lighting. We can go into that here in a little bit once they get dark outside, so I can show y'all. Next page we got is comfort. So once you go in here, this is like the splash screen, so when you start up the car and stuff. Splash, we're gonna put that to Hellcat. Oops, I skipped that page, it's alright. We're gonna keep going. Belt ding, we're gonna keep that on no, so we don't hear the belt. Easy exit, we're gonna keep that on no as well. And then we're gonna go back to splash, so we can turn that on to Hellcat. But once you would finish all that, you would go keep pressing it and then do a full reboot. But right now I'm about to go back in there so I can change the splash that I want. All right, there we go on comfort. Left trigger and then cruise control. And then once we're on splash, left trigger, cruise control again. And then we're gonna turn that to Hellcat, as y'all can see. All right, now we're gonna keep pressing it until we get out of this menu, and then we're gonna go ahead and do a full reboot. All right, once you get to the full reboot screen, you wanna do the same thing. Left trigger and cruise control. I'm gonna click that, and then it'll show you how much time you have for the reboot. As you guys can see, I have about 130 seconds, so I'm gonna let this car do what it gotta do for the reboot. And that's basically just confirming all your settings, everything that you put on there. And then once this car is back and good after it's done rebooting.
Next up is Joan, another first-time caller in the great state of Michigan.
We're gonna first step out the car. You feel me? But before we do that, we're gonna turn it off. It's gonna start blinking and stuff, but once the blinking is over, you'll be good. We got about 60 seconds left. So I'm gonna get back with you guys when this reboot is done. Alright, y'all can see the reboot is done. Now step one is wanna turn the car off. Hop out that thing. Feel me? Alright, now we're back in here. Press red button. Hold on. My button ain't red. Hold on, let me see something. Oh, snap. It worked. Hellcat, only 160 on the dash. Let's go. As y'all seen before, when I started the car, it didn't have the push to start button that it showed red. You know, on all the SRTs it shows red. So now we're just gonna start it. As you guys seen, the Hellcat popped up because we got the Hellcat splash on. And then also our airbag light popped on because we are in the SRT set. So if you put any SRT set mode on, it'll pop your airbag light on, which you'll be good. You'll be good with the airbag light until you take out the Tazer, which is easy. And also, people might say that once you put it in one car, you can't put it in another. That's also not true. So you can take this Tazer out and you can put it in, say your friend, your brother, whatever the case might be, might have a Charger, Challenger, RT. You can also put this in there, and I can show you guys how to do that if you need me to in another video. But as you guys can see, we now have all of the pages, you know, 10 in total. Got the new look, the speed, got all the vehicle information, all in red, engine power, you know, has all of that stuff now. We got now the performance pages, which not all of these cars come with them. We got the top speed, we got all of this stuff, the G-forces, and then also with the RTs, you can even get this in some V6s. Just show your SRT pages on your performance page. With this car specifically, I wasn't able to do that because it isn't a standard civilian car, it's a police car, so I didn't get a lot of the stuff that most of the cars come with. Like, it didn't even come with the screen. So yeah, y'all, that'll be the end of this video. I just basically wanted to show y'all how y'all can install the Tazer. Yeah, so I basically want to show y'all how y'all can install the Tazer. You feel me? Now that y'all know how to install it, y'all boys can get right with it. I basically want, alright y'all, so I appreciate y'all for watching. This is just a little quick video. I basically want to show you guys how to install the Tazer. You feel me? I basically just showed y'all. I can do another rundown real quick. So you just go down to audio, which is like page 6. Once you in here, you just press left and then cancel, and that'll show you the stuff that pops up at the bottom here, which I'll do it real quick for y'all. Once you press left and cancel, light show will pop up. That'd be the first thing, but once you keep pressing it, you'll get the different stuff. And then to confirm, like say you want to go into light show, you just pick left and then cruise control. So I'm gonna do that for y'all. So to confirm it, you would basically just do left and then cruise control. So I have my lights on right now, And to turn it off, you just do the same thing, but I'll show y'all what it look like. As y'all can see, it's basically just flicking the lights around, you know, nothing too crazy. Y'all can see at the back, like it's a police car now. So as you guys can see now, the light show is off. I'm in the performance. I'm gonna actually go into the performance and set my car to sport mode. The engine is on auto right now. I'm gonna press left trigger and then cruise control. Set that thing in not eco. We're gonna put in sport. But I feel like a big difference is in sport plus rather than sport. As you guys can see, we're in sport plus now. I'm gonna go to transmission. I'm gonna put that thing in sport plus as well. I'm putting in sport. Then we go to the next one. I'm put power mode red, which it really doesn't do a difference because it's not like a Hellcat or anything. Peak RPM, you can set custom peak RPMs. Start your 0 to 60, start your 0 to 30s, stuff like that. But yeah, y'all, so that'll probably be the end of this section of the video. I'll probably come back at nighttime to show y'all everything the Automotive Tazer can do, all the different light modes and whatnot. Alright, y'all, so I appreciate y'all for watching this video. We're on the road to 1,000 subscribers, y'all, so make sure y'all boys stay tuned. This was a different type video for the channel, but I hope y'all enjoyed it, you feel me? If y'all did, make sure y'all like I said. So appreciate y'all for staying tuned, appreciate y'all for supporting me. And yeah, so this Nate blowing, I'm out, man.
Settling, and it's like I'm booted up, and now I'm in my element. Bringing up my past, like that shit even closer relevant. Keep that shit in between me and you, or you gon' trip it out, no.